Hey, what's going on, everybody? Mark here, and we are ready to do a new review. As you guys can see here in front of me, I've got the Jolly Jumper baby exerciser. And if I don't say so, the ad pretty much sums up how our baby's doing. Hayden, are you doing good? Can you turn around? Let me see you. There it is. So we went through probably 3 different types of jumpers for the kids here. A few of them, one was from Target, exclusive only, the other one from Amazon, and we ranged from the pricing of $15 to $35, and then this Jolly Jumper, right around $89 for this one. All right, so a little bit of information about this jumper here. It goes from the ages of 3 months to walking age, which is 13 kilograms or 28 pounds. It is made in Canada. And what they say that it does here, and I think it's pretty true, he's standing up, having some fun, but it improves balance and helps develop rhythm, develops coordination, and strengthens muscles. Proven quality with firm support for baby spine. So with the other jumpers that we had here, we had a little bit of troubles with a couple different things. One of them was the spring right in here, where it didn't offer that true like 0G gravity feeling where the baby can actually doesn't have to work as hard or as much. Now, they didn't have any options on those where you could actually do any adjustments on them, but this one here provides a really good, almost 0G. The baby's just kind of floating in the air there, and if you pick them up a little bit, the spring actually is doing most of the work for the baby there, so they're not going to get too tired out, and they can experience this and have a lot of fun with it. Most of them worked really well with mounting up towards the top of your door frame. They worked really good right there. That was perfect. There's no troubles with any one of those. Most of my issues were in this spring here. Either too noisy, one had a plastic sheath around it, and the other one had just no springiness to it. I mean, it's what it's designed for. And our baby, this is his first time inside the spring right here, and he's having lots of fun. Let's see if I can get him to jump for you. Can you jump or are you pooping? I think you're pooping. That's a poopy face. Jump, 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 jump. There you go. So you can see there just really lightly, the baby's able to swing, jump, and also able to get some of that movement that he's trying to do and learn is staying upright. So this is going to help strengthen his legs here. He is 8 months old and a pretty good baby here. He's not really ready to be even remotely on his feet, so this is definitely going to help him. So I'm going to show you guys how we got him in here and how to put the baby in there as soon as we change that poopy diaper. All right, guys, we have the little baby. We're ready to go. First thing we want to do is lay the swing out or the carrier out on a flat surface like we've got here. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to feed his legs through so that you can cradle him into the swing there, just like that. That's very good. What we're going to do is then, sometimes the babies will hold on to it. If your baby will hold on to the bar right there, let him hold on to it. It'll help you and assist you if you are working on your own. If not, use one hand just like that and slide that over. Get those Velcro straps on. Next thing you want to do is you can set that bar down below his legs now since you got that. Snap the secondary safety. Then take the Jolly Jumper, make sure the logo is facing forward, and snap those 2 buttons together, and you'll be good and golden. Now, if the baby doesn't do it, you probably need to set him up just a little bit, and that'll help out getting it in position. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Put his arm right through. And we'll put him right in the swing. Now, it is really helpful to have 2 people doing this, and you want to do it, but for the video's sake, I want to show you that you can do it with one person. As long as you got one arm strength that's relatively good, you'll snap it in, and that boy's ready to go. So most of the support comes up around his chest right there, keeps him upright like that, and with those arms through those loops, gives him a really good stable balance right there. And he actually was trying to earlier reach up and hold on to the straps like he was flying in a parachute, which is pretty cool. There you go, guys. I hope you guys appreciate the video here for the Jolly Jumper. Got it off of Amazon. $89 shipped to you right there. Hangs over your door frame and works really good. So let me see you jumping in. Let's see those big jumps. Well, I'm going to let him play in this here and have some fun. Recommend this one here. Out of all the ones that we worked with, this one here, even though it's a little bit more money, seems to have the best results here, has him having some fun, and he's also jumping and has that 0G feeling, so he can actually jump without too much effort and energy, because right now, this little guy does not want to stand on his feet, so this is really helpful for him. So thanks again for watching. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for liking, subscribing, hitting that bell button to let you know when I get some more videos up, and I will see you guys again soon.